Okay, here's a 2005 aluminum bass tracker PT 185. It's got a Minkota on the front of it. Painted aluminum trailer. 18-foot boat. It's the PT 185 Special Edition. Three folding seats in the back, rod storage, the whole platform. Here's your foot levels for your kicker engine. Comes with a full cover, Mercury 60 horsepower, also 2005. Nice helm area, Hummingbird. There's your Mercury 60 horsepower 2-stroke engine. Nice helm, Hummingbird 141C fish finder. It's ready to go. Give us a call. Ask at $89.95. Call 732-505-3002 or log on to njoutboards.com. Thank you.